Hello, you are welcome. Today we have to solve the most interesting question, that is x times x minus x times x is equal to 100, and we have to find the value of x. Solution. The question is x times x minus x times x is equal to 100. Now, to solve this interesting question, here we know that this is equal to x to the power of 3. So, x to the power of 3 minus this is equal to x square, which is equal to 100. Now, in the next step, we have to move this 100 to the left side. So, this will become x to the power of 3 minus x square minus 100, which is equal to 0. X to the power of 3 minus x square minus, we know that this 100 is equal to 125 minus 25. 125 and minus 25, this is equal to 100, and this is equal to 0. X to the power of 3 minus x square minus time 125, this is equal to minus 125, minus time minus is equal to plus 25, which is equal to 0. Now, in the next step, x to the power of 3 minus x square minus this 125 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 plus this 25 is equal to 5 square, and this is equal to 0. Now, we have to combine the same powers, the cubic power with the cubic power and the square power with the square power. So, this will become x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 minus x square minus time plus is equal to minus 5 square, which is equal to 0. Now, to solve this interesting question, here we have to use two identities. For this, we have to use the identity that is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which is equal to a minus b bracket times a square plus ab plus b square. And for this, we have to use this identity that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b bracket times a minus b. So, here we have to use these two identities. For this, we have to use this identity, and for this, we have to use this identity. So, let me apply this identity for this. So, first of all, we have to apply this identity for this. So, here this will become, to apply this identity, this will become x minus 5 bracket times bracket, here a square mean x square plus 5x plus 5 square minus, and for this we have to use this identity. So, this will become x plus 5 x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now, in the next step, x minus 5 x square plus 5x plus 5 square is equal to 25 minus x plus 5 x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now, to solve this interesting question, here we know that x minus 5 and x minus 5 are common. So, we have to take x minus 5 common from this. So, this will become, taking x minus 5 common. So, here this left x square plus 5x plus 25 minus, and here this left x plus 5, which is equal to 0. X minus 5, and here x square plus 5x plus 25. Here we have to multiply this minus sign with this. So, here minus time x, this is equal to minus x, minus time plus 5, this is equal to minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now, in the next step, x minus 5, and here x square 5x minus 4x, so this is equal to plus 4x. Here plus 25 minus 5, this is equal to plus 20, which is equal to 0. Now here we obtain two possible cases. This is the case number first and this is the case number second. Now at case number first, x minus 5 is equal to 0, and here at case number 2, x square plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now here at case number first, we have to move this 5 to the right side, so this will become x is equal to plus 5. So this is the first real answer of this interesting question. Now we have to solve this side. We know that we have to solve this by using the quadratic equation. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 20. So in the next step, we have to apply and write the quadratic equation, that is here x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here we have to put the values in the quadratic equation, so this will become x is equal to, here b is equal to 4, so here minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 20 divided by 2 times 1. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 times 20 is equal to minus 80 divided by 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 80, this is equal to minus 64 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 64 times minus 1 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus, we have to separate the square root, so this will become square root of 64 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus, we know that square root of 64 is equal to 8, and here square root of minus I, this is equal, square root of minus 1 is equal to I, so this is equal to I divided by 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 8i divided by 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So this will become x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4i. So this is the complex solution of this interesting question. So from this question we obtain three values. The one is real value, that is equal to 5, and the two are the complex value, that is minus 2 plus 4i, and x3 is equal to minus 2 minus 4i. So let's check either this is correct or not. To check, we have to check this for this real value. So the question is x times x minus x times x is equal to 100. So here x is equal to 5, so 5 times 5 times 5 minus 5 times 5 is equal to 100. 5 times 5 is equal to 25, 25 times 5 is equal to 125, minus 5 times 5 is equal to 25, which is equal to 100. And finally here 125 minus 25, this is equal to 100, which is equal to 100. So this shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, so the value of x, that is equal to 5, is the correct answer of this interesting question. So here x is equal to 5. This is the answer of this question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.